Hello, my name is Frank. Welcome. I want to introduce our company to you. I want to introduce our product to you, the IP Cloud Camera Kit. IP Cloud Camera Kit. Here, I'll take you through 4 phases. The first phase will be the items. Complete NVR kit must have a manual, internet cable. Here, 4 cameras, 4 power cables. Here, NVR and 4 antennas. Here, 1 power cable for the NVR and a mouse. Okay, now I've shown you all the items we have in our power NVR kit. Now I want to show you how to connect the NVR and to keep it working. You need to have 2 things. You need to have a monitor and a router. Let's start with the connection. Here is your NVR. It has 5 ports. First thing, you need to connect your NVR to the power system. So you connect here to your power supply and you see a green light. Second thing, you connect your mouse. You connect your mouse here to the second port. Third, you need to connect your router to your NVR. Here, the third port, you connect your cable here and connect your NVR to your router. Good. Then you need to connect your monitor. Here, we have their HDMI and VGA ports. I'll use my VGA to connect my monitor. Here, I'm done fixing, and now you should be able to see the NVR display. I'll take you to the next thing. You need to connect your cameras. Here, we have the antenna. You need to connect her just here. Very easy. You connect the 4 cameras and there 4 antennas. Now we've done all the connections and we want to connect our cameras. So you connect their cameras. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, I'm done doing their 4 connections and I'm waiting for them to display. Now something to, you'll notice our camera has another port. This one is for internet. Here, you connect here just in case your camera, you want to use it from a very far distance from your NVR. It helps to boost the signal. This is our camera. Here, it's a metal housing here and it's waterproof. So you just feel free, you can use it for outdoor activity. Good, bingo. I can see their display. My cameras are all set and you can see me. Hello, that's my camera number 4. All the cameras are well set and are ready to go. Okay, now after you have all your 4 cameras connected and everything is connected, we want to see if it's online. So you right click, then you go down to fast track and click. Then it should display here, should be online. Just a few minutes. Good, it's online. Just click apply, then OK. Now I want to show you how you can view these. You can have a view remotely from your phone. Right click, then you go down to Setup Wizard. Here, then it will display a QR code. Now I want to show you how you can view these remotely from your phone. I'll give you alternative. Number one, you can scan the QR code using your phone. Here, then you come here, then you download. Now we've seen how to have our system work. I want to show you how to download the app in your phone. Okay, so you can scan the QR code here from our menu. Number 5, you scan the QR code. You can also search from the Google Market or App Store. It supports Android and iOS. After downloading your IP, here it will show this on your phone. Just then you register. You have to register your application. So you come here and insert your name, Frank Tour. Then the next one, you have to put your password. It must be more than 6 digits. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It must be more than 6 digits. You can put any password. Then you confirm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're done. Then you register. You'll be prompted to verify your email. Here you input your email, verify. Here you should be brought to this. Then you click OK. Now after you have everything set, you come to here, positive sign, and click there. You take the first one, add device by ID, and click. Then you'll be prompted to put your cloud ID. You come here and scan your cloud ID. You can zoom it. Here, the cloud ID number will display. Then you submit. Here, you'll be able to see the 4 cameras we have in the display from your phone. Here, now your phone is connected and it's online. You can see these remotely from your phone. Okay, now we've seen how to connect our NVR and how to see it remotely from the phone. I want to show you how you can have to monitor the same from your monitor or your PC. So you come to your browser, you click your browser here, then you go to your search. We have www.dvr163.com here, so we search that. Then here, enter. This should display. Here you can also see the same from your manual. So you come here and you change the language to English. Here we need to get the cloud ID. Here you can enter it manual. Here you can see from their monitor. You can enter their number manually. That's 776052795. here. Then you come to username and there you put here. You can use any username, admin. Then you log in. Here you give it a few minutes. The monitor should be able to pick the cameras. Here you can see bingo. Now you have your monitor and you can view the same thing you can view from your phone. You can see it from your PC. Okay, bingo. Now we have everything set, and I think that will be very much helpful here. Now, our NVR is better than the previous NVRs because of its wireless connections. It doesn't need a complex wire assembly, construction work, or even any expertise. Anybody can do it. Note that if the distance between the NVR, here, distance between the NVR and their camera is very far, then, or there are walls blocking, then we suggest you use a network cable, and we provided that in the camera. Here, this will help to boost the signal. Here, lastly but not least, here, to ensure stable phone view, there is a 1.5 meter cable here. The one you connect the router and the NVR. This should help you. You should try to make sure that it's placed in a stable place for effective connection. And finally, your satisfaction is our pride. We want you to be happy. So, in case you have any problem or you are dissatisfied with our product, then maybe we kindly request you to talk to our customer service before leaving any feedback. And we'll be very happy to help to make sure that you are satisfied behind any reasonable doubt. Thank you for your time, and I appreciate. I hope this will help you. Bye bye.